What say we tell them, boy, we pull up in no Dodge thing back to back?
That's the only time we dodge you niggas.
That real, okay. Alright.
Hey, run that shit up, Trey.
See, we was sticked up, but you learned that. That boy, yeah, we were back to back. Only time I died, one of you niggas is in that 40 pack. Talk shit when I be scratching that. Real nigga, so just arch your back. Arguing, don't get into that. Fuck arguing. Say we was sticked up, but you learned that. That's boy, yeah, we were back to back. Only time I died, one of you niggas is in that 40 pack. Talk shit when I be scratching that. Real nigga, so gon' arch your back. Arguing, don't get into that. Fuck arguing, don't get into that. Ain't no talk to me if it ain't about no money, cause I ain't hearing that. Tryna run my bands up, confrontation, don't play into that. Remember back in high school, young nigga, I had to flip a pack. It was just a zip, but I pushed it like Rosalie at that. 1979.
Disclaimer. All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment, where no one is able to get hurt.
We got some new gadgets. Got the electrician on the job today. Electrical work. Who got it? Who got it? Who got it?
Ooh, I mean, boy, why you? Oh, geez.
Who got it? Who got it? Ah, hell.
I'm recording that shit, boy. I'm cool. I can use that.
Alright, so as y'all can tell, man, we got my nephew still up there doing his thing. I don't know what he got going on, messing with his TV stuff. He love pulling his teeth out. But as y'all can see, man, we got power now. And my other nephew over there acting like he trying to learn something. But yeah, man, I had to do a voiceover because them folks getting worse and worse in the background back there, man. They just, you know what I'm saying, name dropping and all that. I don't want them folks to have to fight for the rest of the summer. We got enough going on. Tires all in the screen. But yeah, man, we done got to the bottom of it, you know what I'm saying? We got it working. See, it's doing rainbow colors right now. I had to hook my phone up to it to control the colors.
On YouTube. So as you can tell, we didn't finish that last night. So we're gonna try to go ahead and get it finished today, this morning. Come on, man. You ready for ride 2? Let's go. We're going to go around the block. Get out here and pop these bad boys back out. Oh, AJ, get out here. Sound like him pulling up now. Start hooking that bad boy up.
Why you think you gonna put this here? You thinking you gonna put this here?
I was gonna open it out, yeah.
Open it up.
Come back, open this up. Once you connect that, you can connect it on there. You can put a zip tie, keep it going.
No, I think we can throw it in the front right now. Look at this. You looking at it now? Look at it. Look, it's like an open closed. Try to up to this. See the ring? Let me sit up under this.
You need to hold that part up.
I need to just try to see how this. We'll just try to put it in. Keep it off of that.
You got some? Yeah, actually,
We say we tell them when we pumping on Thursday. Take the back.
come on down here, man. Come on down here. Oh, Reggie. Mm-hmm. There's a lady right behind her with that trash on back of there.
This shit ain't got nowhere to go. Turn this shit up, bro. Whatever.
Want me to take you down there? Nope. Let's go, man. Load up. Nope. One more ride, man. One more ride. We ain't gonna go fast.
I told you. See that? I told you. Look at you. Look what you doing. Hell. I told you. Smoke this big done.
One more ride, Reg. Come on, man. Don't be like that.
I'm proud of you, you know that. I hope you do.